In this video, I'm going to show you how to add actions to your autonomous node. So I have this development SalesForce account right here, and I'm just going to show you quickly how to install the integration. And I'm going to go to Botpress right here, and I'm going to open my bot. Then I'm going to go to integrations, find more on Botpress Hub, and then here search for SalesForce. All right, I'm going to install it. All right, I need to enable it first. Copy this, open the URL. So I need to authorize Botpress. So I'm going to put my password, hit login. And now that we're connected, I can open in Studio. Perfect. So now SalesForce is installed, and all we have to do is add the create leads action. So where it says autonomous nodes, I'm going to click add card. And now you can see all of these SalesForce actions have appeared. And I'm going to click this one right here, which is create lead. And I'm going to click here on the right to show you this. So as you can see, the create lead action takes a lot of parameters. So the first is first name, last name, email, company, phone, title, etc. Okay. Once again, if you click this, you can see there's autonomous or there's manual. So I'm just going to leave everything autonomous. There's really no need to use manual unless you want to force something. So I'm going to start with that. Then I believe there's another one. There's custom fields. I don't think it's going to be sending anything. I'm just going to set that to manual, maybe just set an empty object like this. So this should be JavaScript object notation. But if you don't know what that is, just leave these braces like this. All right. And now next up, we need to tell it in the instructions that it needs to do this. So I'm going to hit instructions right here. And okay, we're going to have to add something. Let's call this sales or description field. That's fine. Sales process like this. And I have this snippet right here. And I'm going to go over it real quick. So if the user expresses interest in a tractor, politely ask for their contact information. Use the create lead action in SalesForce. That's what we have to generate a lead. Make sure to gather all the necessary input data for the create lead action. The input lead data would be all of this. And finally, generate a brief summary of the conversation. Okay, so let's just try that. And the condition, I believe, was if they express intent to buy. Okay, all right, so let's try this. Hi, I want to buy a tractor. Okay, and now it says, hey there, I'd be happy to help you find the perfect tractor. Could you tell me a bit more about what you're looking for, what kind of tasks you need the tractor for, and what kind of size? So average farm, average land, a cheap tractor. All right, so it's asking some clarifying questions first to try to figure out if it can help me. And it's going to give me a few options. Let's just say I want to purchase the AgriForce 100. All right, so it's telling us we did a great choice, and to proceed with the purchase, it's asking us for all of this information. As we can see, there's title here. I'm not even sure. Yeah, it's right there. Okay, I didn't even remember it. This is wonderful. When you rely on AI, you realize it catches things that you don't think of. All right, so if I write Patrick, what family name can I come? Mirsky. There you go. Like this, and Patrick at botpress.com. What else do we need? Botpress 418-444-2212-31. There you go. Lord of Botpress. And then any additional notes? Should we say something? Let's just say I love automation and tractors. All right. Okay, so if we are to believe this message, the lead should be created. So I'm going to open SalesForce here. I'm going to try to find it. There you go, Patrick Mirsky. Found it right away. Wonderful. All right, so back to our bot here. So that's basically how you add actions. If you're to add any other action, it's the same principle, really. You just add the action by clicking add card, click whatever you want. If you need to install an integration, and then for the most part, you just really have to leave these be. But when you want to force something, you can always just click it and give it a manual answer like this. All right, so in the next video, I'm going to show you how to configure this on multiple channels so that you can chat with your bot wherever you want. All right, bye-bye.